Hey, hello. So, so from today we are gonna be able to um, start start coding the app. So I have got my timers running. Let's get started. Let's not waste any more time. Um, Let me just check that I am recording. Yes, I am recording. Sorry for this. Mm, so I have opened my VS Code. Let's open our React Native. Let's open our React Native. What do you call this? Documentations. So and let's run our Expo. There's a new version of Expo CLI. To be honest, I don't care right now. Use port 1901. Why? Port 19000 is running this app in another window. Why is it running this app in another window? So when okay, so I got it now. So so previously I thought the start script starts the running the app, and the Android script runs the Android virtual machine only. But I was wrong, because when you run this command, this script, then you are actually not only running the application, you are also opening the um, virtual device. So great. So we don't have to keep running two command line shells. Great. Let's see how much time do we have left. We have already spent 3 minutes, 4 minutes. This is still bundling. I'm sorry for the delay. I don't have the my PC is not the best, so it's a very kind of slow PC, and I'm sorry for that. Tab 1, tab 2. So where is our? So I think in Chrome we can open our Figma. I hope the right file opens. Yep. So this is the file. So this is the file. Let's try to make this UI. So for this, what we will need is this input fields, and with the, let's see if we can find a component that has the label built in with it. So do we have something like components in this guide? Workflow, design, native modules, native components, Android native UI components. I don't want components. I think this might be it. So what we need a input section, text input. This might work. Let's see. So yes, kind of we want something like this. Placeholder, uses text. Let's see. I think I'm seeing this documentation for the first time, so it will take some time to get familiar with it. How do we do labels? Can we do labels? Do we have something called labels? Image, modal, pressable, scroll view, section, status bar, switch, text. Can we use text as labels? I'm not sure. Maybe we can, but let's try to search for label. Return key label. Sets the return key to the label. What is return key label? I don't know. So React Native text input labels. How to do this? Floating label input. I'm not sure if we can use this with Expo CLI. No, these are not the ones I want. React Native label on top of input. I couldn't find how to add a label on top of input. Great, I'm facing the same problem. So yes, so they are actually doing it with text. Great. So let's try to do this. So what we have to do is I will resize the VS Code so that we can always see this. And we have these two tabs. Can I get to the two tabs? So this is our app's entry point. Status bar. What happens in status bar? I'm not sure. A component that allows you to configure your status bar without directly calling imperative methods like set bar style. You will likely have multiple status bar components. Okay, so for now, I don't care. I think this is the status bar. Expo status bar. I'm not sure, but I don't care right now. So screens, tab 1, tab 2. Where is also I will make it zoom in a bit if it helps you. Yes, so it's a bit zoomed in now. I think this will be better. Yes, it's good. I think it's good. So in navigation, what is in navigation? Bottom tab navigator. So I think these are actually the tabs. Yes, so this was changed when I changed the name, like the spelling of this, it reflected. So this is actually the tabs. So I will keep the tabs because if I like, we can do tabs in our application. Let's say we have 2 tabs, and one is for all the medicines, like this screen, and we can have a tab for adding the medicines for like this one. So I think we can have 2 tabs. It's fine. So let's get back to here. So in our first tab, let's say in tab 1, what do we have in tab 1? Component, tab 2, screen. So here we have component, tab 1, screen. So this is the tab 1 screen, and we can try to build our component here. So let's get started. So okay, so this is the text for this one, tab 1, and there is another view. So for those, if you are not familiar with what view is, I think it is like a div in web development. So a lot of these files are, the formatting change gets are changing when I save the file, because I have the setting for format on save, so a lot of the formatting is getting changed. I think we can have a prettier. Are we using prettier? Package.json. Are we using prettier? I'm not sure. No, we're not using prettier. Are we using ESLint? No, we are not using ESLint. So we're not using any kind of linting, I guess. But that's fine. It's going to be a very small project, I guess. So it's fine if we don't have the linting and proper prettier setup. So this is the tab 1 screen, and I will comment this out for now. And inside our view, I will have so we have 15 minutes left. So I will try to have a text box. Let's see how we can do that. Text input. So we have to import text input from React Native. Text input. Text. Actually, you know what? I will copy it from here. Copy. Safe area view. They are doing it inside safe area view. Do I need to do it inside safe area view? I'm not sure. I don't think so, because we might have safe area view somewhere outside our component. So yes, so we are inside safe area provider already. So I think we are fine. I'm not sure. So styles.input. So for now we don't have those things. Value is text. So I think it's a hook. Value text. So yeah, so this is the hook. I'm trying to copy paste as much as I can. So we have to import React. Import React from React. So if I save now, what do we have? We have useless text. Okay, so I have to have my styling right. So let's try to imitate what they have. So they have this, and we will edit if we need to. This window is making a bit of problem. Let's make it a bit smaller, and let's also push it right, I guess. So useless text with a okay, so that part is not still working, but we have a margin. But why doesn't it show me the box, the text box? Why not? I'm not sure. It is supposed to show me the the text input without any problem, like without having to do anything. Oh my god, what was that? Use less text. That works, but why is not my my box show up? So do I have to I'm not sure. Let's search for it. React Native text input style example, let's say. Border does show up. I'm not sure why it is not showing up, but so we can do a border color, right? So let's try to do a border color. That will not work, but what? So let's say, will that work? it is still not showing me the box, and I'm not sure. Oh my god, what just happened? This is a bit, you know. So let's try to disable all these things. Ah, so the whole thing is gone. I'm not sure why. Is so hex black. So this is a okay way to write a hex number. But still I don't see the border. I don't know why. Let's try to read the documentation. Okay. I'm not sure why it doesn't show up. Like, why can't I have that? Why can't I have that border style? This is very frustrating. Okay, oh my god, oh my god. Now what happened? So let's get rid of this. Oh, this is embarrassing. I did not. I had this commented out, this line. So oh my god, what was that? So why is it not, this is spread all across the screen, so I'm not sure why it is happening, but let's try to do what they are doing. They're doing it inside safe area view. So should we do it as well? So I'm not sure. Let's see. Safe area view. What was that? So let's get rid of these views and have, so this is nice. This is nice. So we don't need the views here. So I'm not really familiar with React Native, so this is why these things are happening. Padding, we have, like, let's say we have a bigger padding like 20. What will happen? Okay, so 10 is okay, I guess. Margin, let's say we have a bigger margin. Okay, so margin is actually okay, I get it. So let's have a text component, and what was the name of the label? First label, name of the medicine. So name of the medicine. Text. So there are two. So we can use the themed text, I guess. Name of the medicine. So how do I align this one? So let's say styles dot something text label, and let's do a label text align center. Will it work? Oh, it worked. Oh my god. So this margin is a bit too much. Let's get rid of this margin. So let's do 10. Okay, great. So, and what was the name of the next? So we have quantity, how many times a day, and how many medicine each time. So let's do quantity. Let's quickly create four of these. So what we can do is, will it work? Yeah, I think that's fine. So we have quantity, we have how many times a day, I guess. How many times a day, and we have how many medicine each time. So we have that 4, and let's see how much time do we have left. So we have only 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, so we don't have much time left. So yeah, it's working, but this is in this. We want this to be in the middle. Can we do that? Text align and center. Yes, we can do that. Great. So quickly, I'm trying to do as quickly as possible. So we will have basically 4 name of the med Q2I times a day num every each time. So how many medicines have to take each time? So instead of doing on change text, we can do on. So the convention in React.js is something like this: set name of the med, set qty and set time times a day and set num each time. That's okay. So we can change this now. Say name of the med and set name of the med, and we can go here and we can set qty and qty. We can change this to set times a day and times a day, and we can change this to set num each time and num each time. So we can do that. Where is our okay? So for this one, let's get rid of this. We will not have placeholder texts. So these are empty. Now we can go name of the medicine. Let's say Arbitel 40, and we have, let's say, 20. So we can do that. Great. So I will stop right now because I'm not sure like when we are way over 30 minutes. So I will stop now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you are watching, thank you.